Hi, here we are going to learn how to patch the values from a drop-down into a text box. So if you select Chennai here, Chennai should show up here. If you select Bangalore here, Bangalore should show up here. If you select Hyderabad here, Hyderabad should show up here. So we have one drop-down which is associated with the variable supplier city and one text box which is associated with the variable city. Now, in the text box, we are going to write code so that every time some action happens on this drop down, the corresponding value gets patched here. So go ahead, click on set condition. If, of course, if there is a value for supplier string, put this here, and then out here, we once again patch the value. Sorry. This time we get the value from this variable and we have to put it into vrcity string. So we take out vrcity string here, remove the fg.value because we are not capturing the value. We are putting the value into the variable, control X, control V, okay. And here because we want the value that is typed or selected in that box, so we take fg.value and the entire variable name. So let's go ahead, click on save, preview. If you select Chennai, Chennai shows up here. If you select Bangalore, Bangalore shows up here. If you select Hyderabad, Hyderabad shows up here. Thank you.